In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add menus and pages to a WordPress website. If you're setting up a site for the first time, one of the most important things you'll need is a clear page structure. Pages help organize your content, and menus make it easy for visitors to navigate your site. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic process for creating a new page in WordPress so you can start building out your website properly. To begin, go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your website's content, settings, and design. Once you're logged in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side. This is where you'll find most of the tools you need to manage your site. Next, click on Pages. The Pages section is where you can view all of the static pages on your website, such as your home page, about page, contact page, or services page. This area lets you create new pages and manage existing ones, so it's the right place to start whenever you want to expand your site. After that, click on Add Page. This will open the page editor where you can create a brand new page from scratch. Depending on your WordPress setup, the editor may look slightly different, but the overall process is the same. You'll be entering the content and details for the page here. Now, enter a title for your page. The title should clearly describe what the page is about, since this will usually appear at the top of the page and may also be used in navigation menus. Try to keep the title simple and easy to understand. For example, if the page is meant to introduce your business, a title like About Us works well. If it's for people to reach you, Contact is a clear choice. Once the title is in place, click Publish. Publishing makes the page live on your website so it can be viewed by visitors. In some WordPress versions, you may need to confirm the publish action one more time. So if a second publish button appears, go ahead and click it again. That's completely normal. At this point, your new page has been created successfully. This is the foundation you'll use when building your website's navigation and overall structure. As a helpful tip, it's a good idea to create all your main pages first so your site stays organized from the beginning. And that's it. You now know how to add a page in WordPress, which is the first step toward building menus and creating a smooth navigation experience for your visitors.